seen something, and we got to look into that. So there is stuff coming all the time, and there is a lot of work to be done, as you just mentioned. I think what I took out of that is you can feel their frustration the same way that we're frustrated as they're telling us what they're telling us. They have it just like we do.
They do, and they're the ones that are on the street, and the adrenaline that is being dissipated, you know, they're going to dig deep down and get some reserves and continue with the search. They're going to continue with the investigation, continue with the search, and